It's hot.
Very hot.
Thank you. Hi.
Bench.
Are you a big kid?
Yellow.
Huh?
Yellow.
Yes. You eat all your fruits and vegetables, you're gonna grow bigger. You're gonna eat a lot more broccoli.
But look, it's very big, so I could be big.
Yeah.
Look, my arrow's getting. My arrow's going. My arrow's going. Gone.
I see.
Strawberry Kai refresher.
What size?
What size you want to get? We'll do a large, I guess.
A venti, strawberry acai. What else would you say?
Maybe that's it.
Alright, your total is going to be $4.23 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Crab?
Do you need one? For spring roll?
Should you get north of the road? I don't know which one.
How much is this one? That's the one I usually get.
I guess we get that. It's probably gonna be $2.
What are you scared? Oh, it is. I'm gonna go to the EDM too. Okay, you gotta go buy stuff. You gotta go buy stuff.
Sure, don't look at me.
Go. Whoa! Whoa! Don't touch. Yeah, don't touch. Only look. That's a frog. Yeah, that's a frog. It broken. That girl and boy. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come here. Come on, hold hands. Look, no. What are you guys doing?
Washing cars with bubbles.
Yeah?
I like bubbles. They're bubbles. Bubbles. I need towel.
No, Carter. Only the car. Only the car. Carter, only the car, okay?
Mommy.
Carter, only the car, Carter. Quick, Carter, wash the bubbles off the car.
Put it there. Okay. Let's wash. Good job, Carter.
Wow, Carter, good job.
Wash the head.
Pampers. Sophia, got bubbles, huh? No, where you go?
He's silly girl.
Whoa, Emma, look. Whoa. They're riding lawnmower. You got it. Careful,
Sophia. Oh, God, are you okay? Hurry, Blum Blum, we're gonna go inside in a bit. Careful, Kappa.
Someone's ready for Mom.
Yeah.